Imagine that our body is like a big city with different types of workers. We have the specialists, who are very good at doing a specific job, such as doctors, teachers, plumbers, and electricians. These specialists already have a well-defined function and know exactly what to do. Now imagine that somewhere in this city, there are some special cells called stem cells. These cells have the incredible ability to transform themselves into different types of specialized cells, depending on our body's needs. Stem cells can be anything you want them to be. They can become blood cells, muscle cells, brain cells, and, in particular, a type of cell that is very important to us here, eye cells. To make it easier to understand, imagine that when a part of our body suffers damage, such as an injury, it's like a city street being damaged. That's when the stem cells come into play. They are like the workers who arrive at the scene of an accident to repair the street. These stem cells divide and become the cells needed to rebuild the damaged area. They can become skin cells, muscles, blood vessels, and all the other cells needed to repair the injury. And just as workmen build up a destroyed street, stem cells build up the damaged tissue in our body. What's more, stem cells also have a very special feature, the ability to multiply and renew themselves over time. This means that they can continue to produce new specialized cells whenever they are needed. This ability of stem cells has aroused the interest of the scientific and medical community, as they have enormous potential to treat diseases and injuries. For example, if someone has a vision problem, stem cells can be used to help regenerate damaged eye cells, making vision perfect again. Isn't that amazing? But there is a catch. As we get older, it's natural for the quantity and quality of stem cells in our body to decrease. It's as if the pool of workers in the city is also dwindling over time. This is because, as stem cells are used to repair and replace damaged cells, they also wear out. Over the years, these stem cells may no longer be as efficient at renewing themselves and playing their repair role. This can lead to a decline in our body's ability to regenerate and cope with injuries and illnesses. This decline in stem cells with age can have implications for various aspects of our health. For example, skin regeneration can become slower. The immune system can become less efficient at producing defense cells, and the ability to regenerate damaged tissue can be compromised. This is one of the factors that causes our eyes to become weaker over time. It leads to diseases such as AMD, glaucoma, cataracts, and many others. When we lose that vast quantity of stem cells, it's as if there are no more workers to repair the bumpy streets. And then our vision starts to have spots, strange lines, turns yellow, and we start to feel like we're getting a little more blind every day. I went through each of these stages, and the reason you're on this program now is that what I discovered completely changed my life, and it might change yours too. So think with me. What if there was a cheap, natural formula for increasing the level of these stem cells? Our bodies would have several workers again, even after the age of 50, 60, or 70. We'd be older, but still with young, strong bodies and, above all, healthy eyes. Now that you understand how stem cells work, it's time to find out exactly what this formula is.